नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अक्षय पाटिल। आप देख रहे हैं मेंस एसेंशियल्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का ये वीडियो। तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है हाउ टू काउंट कैलोरीज फॉर वेट लॉस। पहले मैं आपको ये तरीका समझाऊँ कैलोरीज कैसे काउंट करते हैं। उससे पहले आपको ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि आपको वेट लॉस के लिए कितनी कैलोरीज कंज्यूम करनी पड़ेगी। इसके लिए आपको पहले आपकी मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज समझना पड़ेगा। मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज वो कैलोरीज होती है जो खाने से आपका जो करंट वेट है वो मेंटेन रहेगा। इसका मतलब अगर आपका वेट 70 kg है तो आप गूगल पे जाके किसी भी कैलकुलेटर से आपकी मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। और फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपकी मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज आई 2000 तो आपको आपका 70 kg वेट मेंटेन करने के लिए 2000 कैलोरीज डेली कंज्यूम करनी पड़ेगी। अब आते हैं अगले पॉइंट पे। आपको आपकी मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज का पता चल गया तो अगली स्टेप है आपको कैलोरी डेफिसिट में खाना पड़ेगा। कैलोरी डेफिसिट का मतलब होता है कि आपकी मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज से कम। तो फॉर अ 70 kg पर्सन who is having 2000 calories as his maintenance calories, he should eat or he must eat 200 to 300 less calories to stay in a calorie deficit. So now step 3 is tracking your calories as in relation to your goal, that is for a 70 kg 1800 or 1700 calories a day. So for this you need to download an app or calorie counting app. There are many apps in market, but I would suggest go for one of the two. First one is MyFitnessPal and second one is HealthyFyMe. So let's get right into it. I will show you how to count your calories. So guys, now as you can see here, I have opened MyFitnessPal. You can download this app through Play Store and create your free account or sign up with your email ID. So in this account, you have to go to goals and set your goals as, so here you have to set your calories goal as 1800. This is just a note, this is just an example. Every person's calorie intake and maintenance calories are different and you need to calculate it. So next step is go to calculator. 154 pounds multiply by 0.8. So why 0.8? This is the minimum amount of protein intake you should take. The amount comes to 123.2 grams of protein. So go to the app, open your protein section and try to reach at your set goal. So here my ratio comes around 40 30 30, that is 135 grams of protein, which is a bit excess. You can bear with it. So now how much amount of fat a person should eat? These are just basic ranges. It differs from person to person and their choices, their health conditions. Please take a note about that. So for that, 30% of your calories through fat. So 1800 into 30%, that is 540 calories. So how to convert calories into grams? For fats it's 9 calories per gram, so we should divide by 9. So we need to eat around 60 grams of fat for 1800 calories of diet. So go to app. So here are exactly 60 grams of fat and the rest of the calories should come from your carbohydrates. Set it. Now you are ready to go. Now you need to add your daily diet intake. So guys, here we go. Here I have added an ideal diet to hit all the macros for 1800 calories. So firstly, in the breakfast we had 3 medium sized eggs, 2 bread slices and 1 cheese slice. That's basically ingredients of a cheese sandwich. You can directly add cheese sandwich, or if the calories which you are eating through cheese sandwich is different from brand to brand, then you can directly add the ingredients of that particular food item. So in lunch I had 2 chapatis, that is 260 grams, 3 ounces of cooked tur dal, 200 grams of curd and 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. It's around 880 calories for lunch. And snacks, I had a glass of milk that is around 200 milligrams. And for dinner, moong dal khichdi and soya chunks. Soya chunks is around 50 grams. And note one thing, soya chunks is one of the recommended veg food source for protein. That's all for diet. If you have gone 60 calories excess, that's okay. You can be in 100 calories excess or 100 calories less. So here you can go nutrition and check your daily intake. So you have almost reached your protein goal. You are coming short by 21 grams of protein, 34 grams of carbs, but here as you can see in fats we are excess by 23 grams. So for that day we can consider that the 34 grams of protein are compensated by excess of 23 grams of fat. So to complete that remaining 21 grams of protein, you can add a scoop of whey protein in your snack meal, that is milk. You can add a scoop of whey protein in your milk and complete that protein need. And that's how we count calories for weight loss. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Akshay Patil. See you in the next one.